straight back into the top 10 emerging trends in robotics. If you missed part 1, that was parts 1 through 5, so from here it will be 6 through 10. If you missed part 1, go check it out. In the meantime, let's get on to number 6. Number 6 is robots as a service. What this essentially means is robotics is very expensive, and in order for smaller companies and individuals themselves to take part in the robotics revolution, they will need to rent a robot. Renting a robot allows affordable ways for smaller companies to get into robotics and for smaller companies to use robotics within their workforce. This means that this money they save renting a robot as opposed to hiring a person to do a repetitive and boring task, they would be able to then save up and buy their own robot as opposed to renting it continuously throughout their life cycle. Number 7 addresses the global labour shortage in jobs that are boring, dirty or unsafe for humans. This trend shows that robotics are being used more and more to take care of these dull, awful tasks. Number 8 talks about real-world environments and simulations becoming much more adept to helping robots advance and technologize in the prototype stage. This means if there's a problem at hand, then robots can adapt quicker and learn how to adapt to that environment before it's fully commissioned for a full design into the robotic design. Number 9 talks about the expanded robotic services which are available. So now hotel rooms are taking over room service or taking over cleaning duties with robotics, because it is possible to get a robot to clean 1,000 rooms as opposed to getting a human to clean 1,000 rooms over 100 hours. And last but not least, robots are now using 5G and connectivity between each other. This means that they are learning together. They can act like swarms, which is probably the scariest one of the bunch if you've ever watched Age of Ultron, because you could imagine every robot coming together to destroy the human race. Probably not the best, but that is the trend towards learning together, fighting together, and hopefully the robots won't take us over. Let me know what part you found most interesting, and I'll see you in the next one.